Majesta Tower. Majesta Tower. The balcony.
You know, we gotta get the sun to come back out. Little darling, this smiles into sun, 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 we come. Sun, 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 we come. Sun, 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 we come. I can't feel my fingers at all, guys. Next song, it goes out to you guys. It goes out to all my friends. Hope that's you guys. I hope that's some of you guys. You know, sometimes we all need a little help from our friends. Again, welcome to Strawberry Fields, everybody. Hey, you belligerent. Where are you from? Strawberry Fields, again. Sometimes we all need a little help. Here we go. What would you do if I sang out of tune? Would you stand up and walk out on me? Lend me your ears and I'll sing you a song and I'll try not to sing out of key.
always haste to sing God's praise. And when we first begun.
So you guys can actually reside for a week or two, or however long you want to stay here for in New York City, right here in front of Madison Square Park, which is pretty nice, you know?
I'm not scared too either. It's a bit windy on the old hand. It is a bit windy on the hand.
Oh, mira, encontré un truco para usar esto.
Those chains are meant to represent the broken bonds of slavery because Augustus Bartholdi was a fierce abolitionist, which means he was against slavery, so much so that he worked it into